Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing UBlock Origin now. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for UBlock Origin. Click Add to Chrome and accept the permissions. This gives the extension necessary filtering access. Once done, pin the extension to the toolbar so you can open its dashboard quickly. Make sure to avoid similarly named clones. The author is Raymond Hill. Pinning saves time, and installing immediately enables the extension to block requests right away. After installation, open UBlock Origin's dashboard and go directly to filter lists to configure basic protections. Enable the default filters plus privacy and any language-specific lists to block trackers and regional ads. Once enabled, click Update Now so rules apply immediately. You can also subscribe to optional filters for social media or annoyances, but start simple to avoid breakage. Make sure to save changes if a site breaks later. You can now fine-tune per-site rules. Use the element picker to target specific page elements and create cosmetic filters to clean layout. When a site requires full functionality, click the big power button to whitelist the domain, then refresh to test. If something goes wrong, open the logger to see blocked requests or reset to default settings as a last resort. Make sure to apply one change at a time so you can identify the cause quickly and restore normal browsing without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.